talk about filters, life expectancy, and replacement today. All filters do have a life expectancy of them, and most of them are absorption filters. So it's the amount of gallons that run through them, and then also a time period. So on our Aqua Systems brand, we recommend that they get replaced on an annual basis, and we'll mail you a postcard to remind you also. It's one of the other features that we offer our customers. So family of 4 using regular water, we recommend these 2 filters get changed yearly. There's a polishing filter that also needs to be done. Your membrane, that's where the reverse osmosis actually takes place. And this is the purifier, if you will, of the filters. This can go anywhere between 2 and 5 years. And we bring a total dissolved solids tester with us so that we can test your water to recommend whether this gets replaced or not. So no matter what system you've got, filters do not last forever. They do need to be replaced. So whatever the manufacturer recommends, or give us a call and we can give you some tips. But it is important that you change your filters. They will deteriorate, and actually carbon can start growing bacteria if it doesn't get changed out on a regular basis. So just reach out to us and give us a call if you have any questions. Thank you.